Hello YouTube and welcome to Still Not A Millionaire. Today I've planned for you something special where you will be able to win a free copy of this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. But before that, since I've just finished reading it, I will share with you some of my insights and do a brief summary of what you can expect in these pages, and I think that you will like it. So, Rich Dad Poor Dad is a long-time bestseller written by Robert Kiyosaki and in a very easy to read way that suits practically everyone. In a quick way, the aim of the author is to teach us how we can improve our financial mindset and think like a rich individual. And to do so, Robert uses a personal story where he confronts his biological father, who was a professor with a good payoff but always struggling to pay his bills, and the teachings of the father of one of his best friends. For the author, one of the most important things that explains why some people are poor and stay poor throughout their lives is because they don't jump off the rat race, as Robert describes. By other words, we tend to assume that in order to have a better life, we have to work harder and for more hours, where the trick is, in fact, to really understand how money works and how we can compound it throughout time. The problem is that we always tend to spend our money in liabilities instead of assets that generate additional money, such as building a portfolio or a source of passive income. This is somewhat associated with the idea of appreciating assets versus depreciating assets that you probably already heard of. For example, when you buy a new car or a new phone, in most cases it loses value throughout time even after you have just acquired it. On the other hand, when you buy stocks or invest in real estate, then these assets will generate a source of income that increases value as time passes, and this way contributing to a growing wealth. Here comes the importance of paying yourself first, as Mr. Robert claims. Nevertheless, I find that the author exaggerates quite a bit when he says to pay yourself first, even before paying taxes or other obligations. It is quite unrealistic that anyone will do it just to struggle every day trying to find additional money to pay to the government. But since I've started to work, creating a discipline of setting aside some money immediately when you receive a paycheck really makes the difference, as you will not consider the money that you have in the bank available to be spent in additional liabilities. Overall, I have enjoyed reading this book. As I said, it is a really quick reading and accessible for everyone. Obviously, there are some controversial topics and the book is written in a clickbait way, but as the author claims, if someone wants to be successful selling anything, then it needs to be bold and raise people's attention. If you are interested in learning more about this book, I'm giving you a free copy of Rich Dad Poor Dad, and in order to participate, you just need to go to the description below and click through the link, and I will announce the winner in a video when the contest finishes. If you have read this book, comment below what's your thoughts on it and which was your favorite part or least favorite part. And as always, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.